1977 Bronco Project, needs complete restoration, engine not seized, automatic transmission, transfer case, drum brakes, 15-inch wheels. This is a SUV U15 Bronco but the hardtop it's from a U14 pickup, body 5/10 need repairs, frame 5/10 needs repairs, mostly in the back. Year, 1977. Type, U15. Engine, V8, 302 carbureted. Transmission, automatic. Drivetrain, 4x4. Kilometers, unknown. Body type, SUV. Runs and drives, to check. Brakes, drum front and back. Color, gray. Wheelbase, 92 in, 2,337 millimeters. Wheels, 15-inch steel. Power steering, to check.